Hi everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Saturday afternoon. Boy, what an ice storm we had overnight. As a matter of fact, many of the western suburbs, as of about 1 o'clock this afternoon, are still dealing with freezing rain right along the immediate shore. Boston very close to freezing, certainly much above freezing as you get to coastal South Shore in the Cape and the Islands. So let's get into it, folks, and see what's going on right now as we look at temperatures across the areas of midday. See, Boston as of noon was 31. That squiggly symbol means some freezing rain. But once you get to the Cape from P-Town to Hyannis, Nantucket, temperatures are running mostly in the 40s, still 33 as of noontime. In Providence with plain rain, freezing rain in Hartford, and still freezing rain from Manchester to Concord, New Hampshire. Much of northern New England still seeing freezing rain with temperatures in the 20s and low 30s. As we look at the national radar loop, you see that area pink, which is freezing rain covering a good chunk of Massachusetts, New Hampshire, still some slabs of snow in northeastern portions of New Hampshire and into Maine, and more rain developing back through New York City and New York State point southwest. So we have a very rainy afternoon coming. Notice the backside of the storm is snow now into western New York, Pennsylvania, in the Ohio Valley. An old-fashioned snowstorm happening there. Let's jump ahead to the next storm situation. This is off the GFS model. This is valid for 1 o'clock Sunday morning. We have a double-barrel storm situation. Low pressure, the primary storm, back through western New York, but its secondary storm is developing south of New England. But mild ocean air is going to get involved in the storm for southern New England, at least initially. So I think Boston starts as either rain or rain and snow mix, probably flipping over to snow by Monday morning, but certainly going to start as rain from Plymouth to Cape Cod. It's going to be heavy wet snow in the Berkshires in southern New Hampshire. Now, by 8 o'clock Christmas morning, we have a developing gale center, which is east of Cape Cod, so any rain in Boston would be going over to snow. Heavy snow in the 495 belt, Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, down to Hartford, Connecticut. Cold, windy weather will follow the storm. I think it's done before noon, folks. Now, this is what the GFS snowfall map looks like. They say Boston only gets probably 1 to 4 inches of snow, maybe 2 to 5 in the 495. I say probably 2 to 5 in the 128 belt. And once you get out to 495 and beyond, they're going for 6 inches or more. That goes all the way to the Berkshires up through northern New England. We'll have to wait and see if that's the real world or not. I'm still waiting to look at the latest European model. I just wanted to come on and give you a little thumbnail sketch about what's going on. Certainly north and west of the coastal plain this afternoon. Be careful driving with freezing rain gradually going over to rain along the coast. Temperatures slowly rising in Boston, 35 to 40 before the day is over. But we'll have some soaking rains and big puddling going on the roadways. Now, overnight, skies will partially clear. Temperatures by morning in the middle and upper 30s. Tomorrow, Sunday, a mixture of sun and clouds. It's mild to the mid-40s. I think rain will break out in Boston tomorrow night. It'll be heavy wet snow from 495 north and west, gradually going to snow towards the coast by dawn on Monday. Could be 7 inches of snow in Boston Monday morning before the storm pulls away, say around 10 o'clock. Sun's out during the afternoon with a cold wind. Much colder weather comes in Tuesday and Wednesday. Of course, we'll be around throughout the afternoon with more updates, and I will see you then. For now, I'm Mark Rosenthal.